Hello, today we will guide you through how to book an airport taxi on Booking.com. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look at the navigation options across the top of the page. Booking.com offers several travel services, so this first screen is your starting point for finding the airport transfer section. Next, click on Airport Taxis at the top of the page. This will take you to the taxi booking area, where you can arrange a ride to or from the airport. If you do not see it immediately, just scan the top menu carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your device. Once you are on the airport taxi page, enter or select your pickup location. This is the place where the driver will collect you, so make sure you choose the correct airport, hotel, or address from the suggestions provided. Typing slowly can help the system show more accurate matches. After that, select your destination. This tells Booking.com where you want the taxi to take you. As with the pickup point, it is a good idea to choose the destination from the drop-down suggestions if available, because this can reduce mistakes and make the route clearer. Now choose your travel date. Be sure to select the correct day for your transfer, especially if your trip involves a late night arrival or an early morning departure. Double-checking the date at this stage can save time and help avoid booking the wrong transfer. When all of those details are filled in, click on Search to continue. Booking.com will then display the available airport taxi options based on the route and date you selected. This search result page is where you can compare what is available for your trip. You will now see a list of vehicle choices along with their prices. Select the car that best suits your needs. For example, you may want to consider how many passengers are traveling, how much luggage you will have, and whether you prefer a standard or larger vehicle. Reviewing the price and vehicle details before choosing can help you book the most suitable option. Once you have selected your preferred car, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the booking. This final part usually includes reviewing your transfer details and continuing through the booking prompts shown on the page. Take your time here and check everything carefully before confirming, so your airport taxi matches your travel plans accurately. And that is how to book an airport taxi on Booking.com.